Hello, this is Cindy from Jevons Properties Management. I'm presenting to you 402 South 7th Ave, apartment number C, in Yakima. It is an upstairs unit. A multi-family home. It's right close to Davis High School. You can see it over there. Like I said, it is an upstairs unit, so we would be going up the stairs. This is 402 South Avenue, apartment number C, and it's an upstairs unit located in Yakima. You hear the birds. It is a 1-bedroom, hardwood floors. That is a gas stove. I can show you a little bit of the outside. There's Davis High School. If you're familiar with Yakima, it's right in the corner from Davis. There's your sink. That door there leads you to the bathroom, which I'll show you. Now we'll go into the bedroom. You still have hardwood floors. That door is leads you to a closet, sorry. We will go in here in just a minute. I just want to show you what a nice view you would have of Davis. Of the streets. There's a nice breeze in here with all these windows. Nice and cool for the hot summer days. Now we move into the closet. Over there. And this right here be a closet too, or a place to put a dresser with some shelves, possibly a TV. This is a quite spacious big room. Now if you want any information for this apartment, you can visit our website at jevonsproperties.com, or you can call our call center at 509-314-4477. Para más información puede llamar al 509-314-4477 o puede visitar nuestra página www.jevonsproperties.com. Thank you. Have a good day.